Ruby.
No, Ruby's a one and done kind of boy.
Yeah, I just said.
So welcome back.
Hello, you guys.
What are we up to today?
More videos, more episodes, more goodies, more giveaways.
We got a cool one planned for you. We also have a giveaway again this entire month. Every single weekend we are giving something away. And hint, the first thing to kick off the giveaway is another set of LED headlights. Why don't we go ahead and tell you what this episode's about?
Let's do it. That's right. Every single weekend when we post our episodes, we are giving away something we know you are absolutely gonna love. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the opportunities to get free parts.
The first thing we're giving away is actually this.
Nope.
Dope.
Relax. Relax. Relax.
He's not for a giveaway.
No, never. My baby.
His baby purposes. So on this week's episode, we are going to talk about an OBD reader that we think would make a great gift to any family member or any vehicle owner, car enthusiast, anything like that. Because this thing is multi-purpose, it is a professional grade and it allows you to do functions that those Bluetooth OBD readers don't allow you to do. And the best part is, he negotiated a coupon code with the seller. We get nothing out of it other than giving you a discount on the parts. So why don't we dive right into it?
Let's do it. Before we get into the OBD, let's talk about this giveaway. We are giving away another set of JL headlights. We gave one away a couple weeks back and you guys absolutely love that giveaway, so let's do it again. To enter, you need to drop your name, where you're from, and your favorite holiday joke. And then we will randomly select the winner on next week's episode. So drop a line and subscribe and get a chance to win. Now back to the OBD.
Now, we've used a lot of different OBDs in the past. In fact, we've made some videos on some of the ones that we've liked. And we have never used one like this, and we are eager to try it out. And in fact, we have 4 different vehicles. As you guys know, we have the JK, we have the TJR, the JKU,
The XYZ, LWD.
What's LWD?
Don't worry about it, it's secret.
Secret stuff. We also have this Fiat 500 fully electric, and then we have that BMW over there. Now we got the one that says BM 700 or something. Yeah, BM 700, you know, because the BM 500 is sold last year. So typically the cars that are most difficult to use an OBD reader on are the European cars. So we figured if we got one made for the European car, it would work for us simple folk, like the Jeep folk. So why don't we go ahead and test it on all 4 of the vehicles. Now the reason this tool is nicer than the Bluetooth one that works on the phone is you can actually do like battery management. You can reset, you could reset the airbag light, you could reset the airbag sensors, you could do all sorts of different things on top of clearing fault codes, checking fault codes, that kind of thing. So why don't we open it up and see what we're working with. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy.
Careful, lots of.
Nice and easy. Wondering if it needs a battery or it's rechargeable. It appears to be rechargeable here. Comes with a charging cable as well as a wired OBD2 connection. Now I believe vehicles have to be 1997 or newer. Somewhere around there, it's like 95 to 98, but I'll say 97. And we can go ahead and test this thing out. Now my initial impression, it's pretty lightweight. It's not that heavy at all. It feels pretty quality. It's like rubberized. It seems like if you were to place it somewhere, it's not gonna slip. The buttons are pretty tactile. I'm kind of a fan of the way this feels and looks. Definitely a lot more professional than those Bluetooth ones. So let's see how it works. Why don't we start with the Jeep JK?
Why don't we start with the Jeep JK?
Now, Ollie, wasn't there a coupon code that we promised our viewers?
We do have a coupon code. It is a group of numbers and letters, so we'll drop it below, but you do get $15 off. So check it out.
So why don't we turn this thing on? To be determined how we turn this.
Maybe it's well, I think we figured out how to turn it on.
Alright, so the very first thing you do is you identify the OBD reader. In the JK, it's down here, and you plug it in. The second you plug it in, it turns on actually, and you're able to do all sorts of things. OB, there's oil reset, BMW, electronic braking reset, battery reset, tool setup, that kind of thing.
Let's see if I can get the interface.
There's an escape button.
Oh, yep, I can see it.
Fail, fail, fail. Sounds like my 5th grade report card.
And while we're here, go ahead and check out that clear lids. It looks so good in the rain. Check it out, check it out. Check our episode for that. We also have a coupon code for 50 bucks off.
On the vehicle.
Take 2. Turn on that vehicle.
We'll put the ignition on. Let's go ahead and plug this bad boy in. Fail. Okay, oh, okay. So read codes. Oh, 2 ECUs, huh? No fault codes. So this is a way to check if the vehicle is ready for smog. As you can see, everything is ready. So if you're a police or smog officer watching our video, there you have it. Vehicle is smog legal. It even has an evap system test. Not supported, I guess, on this model. I don't know why it's coming up as 2 ECUs, but not supported on the JK. Vehicle information, ECU 1. It tells you the VIN number, it tells you all sorts of stuff.
Next up, TJ.
TJ. Let me just grab my tools for the TJ.
Yeah, in case you gotta get it ready for smog, huh?
What? What does that even mean?
You know what's up. You know what's up.
Gotta love that Patriot Fastbacks hardtop.
Especially as it's drizzling.
Especially as it's drizzling. Let's plug this bad boy in.
Pretty much in the same location as the JK, huh? So the TJ checked out. Now let's show it to you on the fully electric Fiat along with the BM. Let's do it.
Let's do it. Now that's the real test, because these usually don't work on the, the Euros, our Italian stallion over here.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
what?
We have plenty of error codes.
What? The shade. Don't forget Christmas is around the corner.
It's not Christmas, it's the holidays.
Okay, brother.
All right, so I guess we have to turn it on.
Oh shit! You want to turn the music on?
All right, OBD2. Let's see.
We're good. Let's fail.
Doesn't look like it works.
No, it doesn't look like it works.
So it doesn't look like it works on the Fiat, and that's okay.
Because you probably don't have a Fiat.
You probably don't have one of these. It's not all that common of a vehicle. I honestly don't even think this car makes that many error codes, so it doesn't really have anything to go wrong. It just has a battery, So why don't we try it on the vehicle that we pretty much were hoping it would work on? Why don't we try it on the BM? But first, why don't we get a cold start of that BM? Let's hear what it sounds like.
This is one of our favorite sounding exhausts. Let us know what you think. Alrighty, the vehicle is in the on position. Let's go ahead and test it out.
Let's go to Ford BMW.
Well, there you have it, you guys. Solid OBD with multifunctional purpose. Well, there you have it, you guys. Multifunctional OBD reader. It worked on both of the Jeeps. Great, and they're both ready for smog, which is a plus.
Which is definitely a plus.
Make sure to check the comments below, you guys. We're gonna give you a coupon code to get a couple bucks off in case you want this for a stocking stuffer or a Christmas gift.
Really impressed that it actually did the full diagnostic scan on the BMW. That's a scan that even auto parts stores like Pep Boys, AutoZone, O'Reilly's, even those types of stores aren't able to run that scan. You'd have to go to a dealership, which is really nice. I mean, you don't even need that kind of scan on the Jeeps, but the fact that this kind of does everything except the 500e is definitely a positive. I mean, spending $100 on a tool like this is something that would come in handy over time, even saving you on one repair, whether it's an evap system or just a regular fault code, will actually pay itself for the very first time. It saves you a trip to the dealer or mechanic.
Now, don't forget about the giveaway, you guys. We are giving away a set of JL style headlights. All you have to do is drop your name, where you're from, and your favorite holiday joke. Now, you do have to be 18 or over and be from the US. Sorry, my friends in Canada.
And Mexico. And internationals.
Exactly. Make sure to hit the subscribe button below for all the great content. Don't forget, every week we are giving something away. So make sure to stay tuned for our next episode and all that good stuff. See you soon.
See you soon. Wouldn't want to be you soon.
Why?
I don't know. I like who I am.
I like the confidence.